That's a nice bit of kit over there. That Colson lorry. T-cab Scania with an angry duck on the bonnet as well. Bit like my angry duck. That's nice, that is. So I try and get it. It's at Portbury Dock. See what it sounds like when it pulls away. Should get out really, but feeling a bit lazy. Yeah. Must be kangaroos where he comes from because it's got rhubars on the front. It's nice. I did speak to the driver actually. He's all right. Nice guy. Hopefully it sounded all right. Yeah, nice. Yeah, sounds better than my MAN. My MAN sounds like a sewing machine. Nice. Don't speak badly of the MAN and call it a sewing machine, but that might have just been slightly better looking.